Mastering the colon, Punctuation Powerhouse. Hey there! Today, we're diving into a crucial punctuation mark in the English language, the colon. Used correctly, colons can bring clarity and emphasis to your sentences. So, let's uncover the mystery behind this little mark. A colon is a punctuation mark consisting of two dots, one above the other. It's often used to 1. Introduce a list. 2. Emphasize information. 3. Explain or elaborate on the preceding statement. For example, I have 3 favorite fruits: apples, bananas, and cherries. One of the most common uses of colons is to introduce a list. But there's a trick. The sentence before the colon should be a complete sentence. Correct. She has 3 pets: a cat, a dog, and a hamster. Incorrect. She has a cat, a dog, and a hamster. Colons can also be used to emphasize or highlight a point. For example, he had one goal in life: to become a pilot. Here, the colon is helping to stress the importance of his ambition. If you want to provide more information or detail about something mentioned earlier in the sentence, a colon is your tool. Example: she knew what her gift was, an innate ability to understand animals. This usage gives a specific explanation about what her gift was. 1. Spacing. Always put a space after the colon but not before. Correct. Books to read. Incorrect. Books to read. 2. Capitalization. Usually, the first word after a colon is in lowercase, unless it's a proper noun or the start of a complete sentence. Correct. There was only one option left: surrender. Incorrect. There was only one option left: surrender. And that's the mighty colon for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, use colons in your writing, and you'll soon master this versatile punctuation mark. We hope this video brought clarity to how and when to use colons. Happy writing!